I've been having that new intake manifold sit there for like a year. I'm bored, so I'm gonna switch it out. Start by taking off all that bullshit, all charge pipe, throttle body, all this stuff, and then we can get to it. It shouldn't be too bad. Dice intake manifold.
Cámara.
Esto, charge pipe.
¿Para qué?
Trae aire al motor.
El aire como el de la boca. ¿Esa es la boca?
Sí, como hace.
¿Eso qué es lo grandote?
¿Cuál? Esto.
Sí.
Por ahí es donde entra el aire. Aquí el aire entra de afuera y después va para el motor, así por el turbo, y después entra aquí. ¿Y ya tú no eres bebé? Muy bien. ¿Tú eres qué?
Eso es grande.
Sí. Es verdad, tú eres grande.
Tiene el coreo.
Todavía está bajando.
La puedes poner.
Estaba hablando con mi mamá. Y estaba.
Now everything is pretty much out of the way, not completely, but enough for me to get in there and take off. That's about it. Hola, ¿cómo estás? So everything is pretty much off or out of the way. Enough for me to get it out. You know, I can actually move this to this side better. Just gotta get those bolts in there and this bolt right here. And that should be it for that one. See that connected there, but it's not clipped. That shouldn't be in the way. Alright, let's get to taking them off. Everything is really out the way. Everything's loose, but you see those right there. That's where the coolant's gonna come out of, and that's what's holding me back right now. And I'm not sure how to get to them without making a mess, which is what I don't want to do. So I'll be right back after the intermission. You see this plate kind of thing? It's all together, so you just unscrew that and it'll all come off. I think I got one screw left, and then I could take the manifold off, and then I could worry about that after. I think. Maybe I'll make a big mess. Let's find out. There it is, and yes, I did make a mess. Look at the freaking size difference, dude. Alright, that coolant was dirty as hell, but you can see that, and you can see how thick this is, and it just looks way better. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of wish this was black. No offense. So much room for activities in here. I love BMW, honestly. Go ahead for like meth or NOS or whatever, and go ahead and put some nylon tape so we don't get any boost leak through that. This is not the right size. Awesome. Now we gotta get this whatever distribution block or whatever it's called, get these hoses off it, put it on the new hoses that go to the back of the intake manifold, because they kind of have them in different locations. Getting this is not easy. Gotta get those hoses connected to the old hoses and then put it back there and then find the way. Oh, I think I just did it because it was in an awkward position and now it's not. Let's find out, because this has been the hardest part so far. Is missing here. You can see it's not going easy. Camshaft position sensor or whatever, I'm taking it out so it's in the way. Back here it's kind of getting in the way and the tube, not giving it enough space, so I'm just going to take that out. And it's finally in. That part of the job was not fun, I'll tell you that, but we're in the home stretch now. Yep.
The angle looks pretty good. Just make sure it doesn't feel too crazy. That's perfect.
Yeah.
You're good. And what goes here?
No, it's like a sensor.